Yo, what is good? We're back with another trade review. I just passed this account. If you guys remember, I was doing updates about this account and then I just completely stopped trading it. And now we have passed it. We're going to go over that trade that I took right now. If I can switch this real quick. Boom. There. So here we are. We actually took this live in voice. So if you're not in the free Discord, go join it. It is linked down below. Free call out today, so I hopped in with two people that were already in there and we planned the trade together. So we're going to go over that right now. So coming into the day, I was more bearish than I was bullish, and we failed to take these highs right here, which I kind of wanted to see us take, but we didn't do so. We got huge displacement to the downside, taking this sell side. ES has failed to take in this sell side, but we were in a higher time frame PD array. This 4-hour fair value gap right here on the ES, same thing on the NQ. We had this giant 4-hour fair value gap. So if we were to get displacement out, I would have longed, which I did. So if we pull up just the NQ here, we can see that NQ was engineering liquidity throughout all of here. Also, if I take standard deviations from this manipulation leg, we can see that we have hit -2 standard deviation, and we have now taken a low. So now we have low taken, -2 standard deviation. We have engineered a lot of liquidity, right? We have all this low resistance liquidity. And if you're watching my trading den course, you know that episode 2 we went over this. So engineering liquidity throughout all of here. So I was looking for longs. Right here you get your first bearish PD array disrespected. So there's tip off number 1. We run this high. So what does that mean? We should slice through all of this like butter, which we did. So my entry was right here in this imbalance on the 1-minute chart, because like I said in the voice chat, whenever we have a low resistance liquidity run like that, I would not expect a 5-minute imbalance to get tapped into. So I went down to the 1-minute to find my entry. And right here at this unicorn, right here we have our breaker. And did we tap it? No, we didn't tap it, but it was just another confluence to have. So I took this on the Combine account because I really don't trade the 1-minute, so I was pretty much just back testing. And my TP was up here. And like I said in the voice, the very first high of a low resistance liquidity run right here doesn't need to get ran. On the ES though, if we take a look at the ES, we in fact did run that high, right? We ran this high right here on the ES. So we had an SMT, but I took it off whenever I looked at my other screen and saw that I was at 53,000 to pass the account, took it off. But I would have took it off right here anyways whenever we started to come back down, whenever we formed that SMT inside of a higher time frame PD array, right? We have a 15-minute unicorn right here. So I would have taken it off if I traded this on a real account. But yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, it wasn't on a real account. It was traded on a Combine. So I said that in voice as well. I said I don't trade the 1-minute that much. I'm just gonna slap this on the Combine account and see what happens. So right here, took it. This would be your first stage accumulation. Second stage, then we get SMT at this high, which is your manipulation. Now ES could go deliver to this sell side down here at 81.25, which is this low right here. So honestly, I wasn't expecting this strong of a move out of the gate, but that's what we got. That's what we had to deal with. And I traded the internal model for once again. All right, I usually don't trade them anymore. And right now we are getting held up by this unicorn, right? Breaker, fair value gap. We're getting held up by that, but I would expect this to hold to go lower because the draw is lower and the draw trumps PD arrays, right? If we are bearish, we will run all of these. 15-minute fair value gap should get ran as well, but maybe we don't. Then we could see -4, but I doubt we will today. But that was the trade today. Passed another account before I go to Florida, so gonna go to Florida with a few funded accounts and mob into Florida. So if you're not in the free Discord, go join it. It is linked down below. Other than that, go watch the Trading Den course. I will put a link to the playlist in the description. Other than that, I'm out of here. Hope you guys had a good trading day, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.